Hello, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Can you introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Lilibet Nido. I'm 29 years old
Uh-huh.
from Davao. I have a one kid separate. I have three brothers and three sisters.
Okay. Do you have any experience in working abroad before as a domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am. For 5 months only because my employer is Popo not understand English.
Okay. So where is it? Which country is it? Which country is it?
Ayan Long.
In Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am. Yan Long, Hong
Okay.
Kong.
How about in the Philippines?
And I have experience for 2 years.
Okay. And who is your employer?
Uh, Rosilyn Espiritu.
Okay. What are your main duties in your previous employer?
uh, Take care of children
Uh-huh.
and washing clothes and cooking,
Okay.
cleaning,
Mm-hmm.
iron, all
Okay.
around.
Why did you choose to work in Hong Kong?
Because Hong Kong is a high salary compared the Philippines.
Okay. Do you know how to cook some simple Chinese food?
Yes, I know how to cook the soup and steam and other
Okay.
cooking.
Okay. If your employer has a small baby and required you to look after him while sleeping, how will you manage your housework?
Uh, I managed to sleep first for the baby,
Uh-huh.
and then I work all around inside the house.
Okay. What can you teach to your employer's children?
Uh, to teach how to speak English.
Uh-huh.
Uh, it's like a song, A B
Okay.
C D like that.
Okay, can you sing a nursery song?
E B C D A F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U N B W X Y and Z like that.
Okay, thank you. Now, what kind of employer are you looking for?
Um, any kind, uh, I like to understand English.
Okay. Are you afraid of dogs and cats?
Yes, I know to take care of dog because
Okay.
my employer I have a 5 dog.
Oh, okay. Do you have any special skills?
Um, no, only inside the house.
Okay, so only household chores.
Yes.
Okay. And what can you say about yourself?
Um, Hardworking.
Mm-hmm.
Um, Responsibility
Mm-hmm.
and honest.
Okay. Can you give a short message to your future employers so that they will hire you?
Uh, Mom, you choose me. I promise you. I have I I'm hardworking and responsibility and
Okay.
honest, and I do my best to be a good housemate.
Okay, is that all?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.